Hey guys, my name's Jess Templeton.
And I'm Lachlan and together we represent Geelong Real Estate Co.
Well guys, as we end the first quarter of 2023, we just wanted to jump on here and provide a bit of a market update. Myself and Lachlan sold 16 properties in the first 3 months of 2023, resulting in $9.2 million of property sales.
We met 464 buyers through all of our open homes in the first quarter, proving whilst the media are putting out all doom and gloom, it's not all negative news. Some of our best results through the first quarter was our high sale price of 18 Dryden Way, selling for $902,500.
Another great sales result was our quickest sale, being number 9/186 to 188 Townsend Road in Moolap, selling after the first inspection for $820,000.
We also achieved an outstanding result at 38 Trustcourt Street in Whittington, selling for a great result at $795,000 in just 3 weeks. So Jess, with some of these amazing sales results, what do you think helps set these ones apart?
Yep, so I believe that things that are helping sell properties in the current market, or maybe in any market, is certainly presentation, being that how a buyer feels when they walk through that front door and first impressions. It's so imperative that your home's presented at its best right now, because people have time and they're a bit more pickier than maybe previous markets where it was a bit more fast paced. So setting that tone that when they walk through the door, it feels like home. Certainly, the right marketing campaign and strategies. Every home's very individual and has its own unique selling point, so making sure that it's put out there with the right marketing campaign. And another big thing is pricing it based on today's prices, not 6 to 12 month old sales. So, pointing out comparable sales to vendors so it's realistic and it's achievable in the current market. As days on market have broadened, it's important that you align it to the right price and you'll achieve that result within that 30 to 45 day bracket in the current market.
Just add a few things to what Jess just said. I do believe choosing the right agent is imperative to seeing a great sale. One with the right energy, the experience and negotiation strategies will help get that that sales result within that timely manner of 30 to 35 days, which we're currently at the moment. So Jess, with everything that's happening within the media, the interest rate rises, what's happening with the building industry, obviously Porter Davis going into liquidation last week, what impact do you think this has had on buying?
So what we've seen in the marketplace overall, we are selling stock all across Geelong, whether it be first home buyers, development sites, investments, downsizing opportunities. So I feel like we've got a good grasp of what's happening out there. I've noticed that we're probably seeing realistically a 10% pullback in the marketplace since those prices maybe early next year. Some homes may be more, some homes may be less, depending on what they're offering. Although perspective, I feel we've had 30 to some areas up to 50% growth through that COVID peak marketplace. So a 10% pullback, I feel, is not all that bad.
And of all the properties, what do you think has been impacted the most?
Yeah, so certainly homes that are development sites or land sales or homes that require structural works. Obviously, in light of the building industry suffering, that has impacted the property market as buyers are really factoring in those rising costs of building materials, maybe build timelines into offers. So we have seen those properties pull back the most, even some by a lot more than 10%.
So coming into the next quarter of 2023, what are you forecasting is going to happen?
So this month we had a rate pause, which is a positive sign. I think it's going to be interesting to see how that pans out.
Yeah, I know there's a bit of a bet going on between Ricky and Reese in the office.
Yeah.
I think the wager is a few $100 for interest rate rises, give or take. What side are you on?
I'm definitely on. So Ricky's saying 5 or more, I believe.
Yep.
Reese is under 3.
Yeah,
I'm
4
definitely,
and under, yeah.
or 4 and under. I'm definitely on Reese's side. I feel like there could be a couple more, but I think we'll start to see them settle sometime this year, and we'll know, what outgoings are going to look like ongoing, which may, obviously bring some comfort for buyers.
So we'll keep you updated with
Yeah.
how that goes.
How that goes.
And with the current stock levels that are on the market at the moment, how are you finding this is impacting supply and demand?
So at the moment, stock levels are remaining quite low. As Lockie mentioned before, we've met almost 500 buyers just at our open homes over the last couple of months. So there is buyers out there wanting to buy property and waiting for the right stuff to pop up. I think it'll be interesting to see how things unfold further with building industries and job losses, as this may impact the property market this year.
Thanks so much for listening. If you have any questions or would like an up-to-date market appraisal on your property,
We'd love to hear from you. Thanks, guys.